Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to add watermark on your photos. So for example, here we have a photo here, and let's say that we have one of our photos in our Canva. So let's say nature. For example, this is your photo. Go elements. For example, this is your photo. Just put your photo here. So what you're gonna do is you want to add a text, then you want to add a heading here. So let's say the GX photography, and you can change the font to whichever font you want. So just put it here, and you can fix it, or you can, there's an effects here that we called animate. You can just put anything, or we can put transparency so that you can adjust the transparency of your photo, or you can put it somewhere here so it would look like this. So there we go. That's how you add a watermark to your photo. Then press share and download to whatever file format you want. So that's all for today's video, and see you soon.